The Mercedes-Benz MB trac, a versatile and powerful tractor that gained a strong reputation in the agricultural industry. In this video, we'll explore the history, features, pros and cons, and the reasons why Mercedes-Benz stopped making this iconic tractor. The MB trac was first introduced in 1973 and remained in production until 1991. It was produced in 3 different series: the 440 series, the 900 series, and the 1000 series. The 440 series had a 4-cylinder engine with a power output of up to 83 horsepower, while the 1000 series was equipped with a 6-cylinder engine that produced up to 177 horsepower. The MB trac was a versatile tractor that could be used for various tasks, including plowing, harvesting, and transporting. One of the unique features of the MB trac was its cab-over-engine design, which gave it a distinctive look and allowed for better visibility. It was also equipped with a 4-wheel drive system, which made it suitable for different terrains and conditions. Despite the MB trac's popularity, Mercedes-Benz decided to stop producing this tractor in 1991 due to changes in the agricultural industry. The increasing demand for larger, more powerful tractors and the competition from other manufacturers made it difficult for Mercedes-Benz to continue producing the tractor. Additionally, the cost of manufacturing and maintaining the MB trac became too high for the company. The MB trac has developed a stereotype of being a powerful and reliable tractor that could handle any task. Farmers and agricultural workers who used the tractor often spoke highly of its performance, durability, and versatility. The tractor was also known for its unique design, including its cab-over-engine configuration, which gave it a distinctive look. Like any other machine, the MB trac had its pros and cons. One of the main advantages of the tractor was its versatility. It could be used for various tasks, and its 4-wheel drive made it suitable for different terrains. The MB trac was also known for its durability and reliability, which made it a popular choice among farmers. Additionally, the tractor's cab-over-engine design allowed for better visibility, making it easier to operate in tight spaces. However, one of the downsides of this tractor was its high maintenance cost, which made it less attractive to some buyers. Additionally, the MB trac's cab-over-engine design made it difficult to access the engine for maintenance and repair. The tractor was also known for its low ground clearance, which could be problematic in some situations. Despite being discontinued in 1991, the MB trac still has a strong following among farmers and agricultural enthusiasts. Many MB trac owners and fans appreciate its unique design, powerful engine, and versatility. Some MB trac models have been modified for other uses, such as forestry, construction, and transportation. The MB trac has also inspired other manufacturers to develop similar tractors, such as the Claas Zarian and the Fendt 900 Vario. The MB trac's legacy is a testament to its durability, reliability, and versatility, and it remains a beloved machine that many farmers still use today.